What's going on, everybody? This is me, Rome. Uh, so y'all just missed this trade that I just took. It was simple. I risked a point 0.7. I tried to make $25. I took this trade because I saw that this zone, if I'm not mistaken, this zone was like perfectly broken. Let me see. So let's go. If I can bring up my history real quick. Where's my history? Trade history. Okay, so that's where I entered, and that's where I got out. So I entered on this black candle. Right. I entered because I drew up a box. The zone didn't hold. It wick rejection off of this area right here, and so I felt like that was good. So it keep happening. It keep that's what happened again. Like, oh, my zone didn't hold, but it wick rejected all the way through. That's what the box is for. I'm telling you, the box helped. So I just got that profit. I'm in another trade. I'm currently losing. USDCHN. It's doing, I think, the same thing. Uh, okay, so this one is a buy version. Simple liquidity. Uh, I, Part of the reason I'm in drawdown right now is because my spread is so wide. So let's get to it. Yesterday I made $107. Let me see if I can. Custom period 28 to 28. Okay. Yes. Yesterday I did win the trade. Um, I did close one of my trades early with $123 and it ended up turning back around in my favor. That's why these trades that I'm in now, I'm not scared of no more. So the more we do this, the more confident we be. So I'm in drawdown almost every time because I don't get as good entries as I can because, well, my patience is getting better. My patience got a little better, but my spread is still wide. So as you can see, price, the candle is inside the box, but my line comes in at the red line, that's the top red line that's moving. So with that being said, as you can see, I wanted my price to actually be on top of the box or inside the box a little bit, and it's not. So um this trade may not work out. It may be going down all the way down to this level here, but I got into this trade because, look at it, just sell it because of this wick rejection here and this wick rejection here. That green candle and that black candle right there. Two wick rejections. And then it closed outside the box right there. So I don't know what this black candle right here finna do, but that green candle right before it just closed right outside the box. So uh hey, usually when they do that, it's finna break. I really want to move my stop loss, but I'm not. I lost this one. It's okay. And so I tried not to risk too much. So I'm still up from yesterday, 4,794, but I'm doing a little better risk management. So if we go to today, I'm down $60. So, and I would have been down more, but I won that trade right there. So I'm still in this breaking even type phase where I don't understand the risk management all the way. But it's okay. So y'all just saw me lose that trade in real time. That was on USDCHN. USDCHN ain't been doing good for me. I think I'm gonna stop trading that. It may be because it's a Chinese pair. It's literally US dollar versus the Chinese dollar. So now this zone is gone. If it go back in my favor this time, I'm gonna be a little confused because I don't see a line here. Like, that's not exactly a zone. Nothing's touching. The line is here, if anything. So with that being said, it just burst through the line. But now check this out. We are on an uptrend. the trend is your friend, and I tried to get it low. I tried to get it low because I thought it was gonna come high. But if this, I see this floor, I really do, and I get a bit way more patient. It's 9:36. Trade just didn't work out, so it wasn't no news today, according to. Let me get that off the screen. According to this, today is Tuesday. Nothing at 9:30. So I'm in Texas time, so it's an hour ahead in the markets. So no news yet. Everything just didn't go my way. Now if it goes now let's see. Because there is a giant zone. Well, it ain't a giant zone. It's a small zone here. They not back to back. So I think 2 back to back zones could mean something that looks like a strategy that could work. On the 1 hour, what's going on? So on the 1 hour, we not hitting no new lows or anything or new highs at all. We just like in the kinda in the middle. So I figured it had room to buy. There wasn't no reason for it to sell, but it still sold. So I don't know what my thumbnail should be, minus $60 or plus $107. I kind of want to put question marks. That way y'all won't know like what happened next time on Dragonballz. You know what I mean? I don't want to give it away. Y'all gotta watch the video. So I'm looking at all the charts. That was a downtrend. Everything was in a downtrend. Let me see. H1 downtrend. M5 was the only one in the uptrend. Oh well, no, that was another chart. This is a downtrend. But just looking. Yeah, so that'll be the zone I target because we're in the downtrend. Unless we are, well, see, we at that new low, which means we could be buying now. That 1 hour, that shit dropped. But it is what it is. Let's move on. Okay. So we are at this line of scrimmage. This is a zone. Like that 200 literally creating a floor. I kind of want to just buy with like sort of that as just the rhyme or reason. So we are on an uptrend, but it could be the reversal, especially with all the mountains up there. Them look like whole mountains. All this right here. I mean, it ain't exactly like that. Obviously, it's a little more, but that's just the highs that's not being broken. That's like 5 highs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 highs. So I don't know what to think. But it's not consistent. But these lows, those are kind of consistent. Like I could take a quick buy right there. It's rejected off of the zone. That I'm about to say. See, I didn't look. I just seen right as I entered the trade this black candle right here. I don't know why my thing is over like that. This black candle right there. That mug sold through, and I'm kind of thinking it might keep wanting to sell. Even though if we look at price action, what the green candle do next, it broke above and it closed above, and it's not a bullish engulfing or anything, but it did break and reject off of this 200 along with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other candles. So the only candle that decided to disrespect was that one black candle. So if I had to set a stop loss, it'd simply be under the low. Quick little 32, and this could be a zone. Little 1 to 1.5, something like that. That's not my actual setup, so I don't want to trade at all on that. and I'm seeing that my setup ain't 100%. Well, no strategy is. No strategy is 100%, y'all. Don't ever think that it is. I hope that as I go on with my videos, I get better at teaching. That's what I want to do. I want to get better at talking about this stuff. I don't want to just say it like I'm saying it now and people ain't understanding what's going on. Like, so I really like to try to put it in a way where people can understand. So we got 3 minutes for this candle to close. Honestly, that right there, this is what the scariest part is. That right there is being carried under the 200. That's a real downtrend. I mean, I think I even told y'all, don't take the trade if that 20 is pointing at the 200, and I took the trade. So I'm gonna hold the trade. I'm in learning phase, so I really want to see what's gonna happen. Like, I'm gonna put that a little lower because it could break it, but I'm not mad at $35. See, it's what right now the wick is holding at the exact same spot as that wick. I like that. I ain't gonna lie, I like that. Just don't break below. If I see that, I'm gonna be a little sad. Boom. So yeah, that's it. That is busting through. Look at that momentum. Bop, 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 bop. Okay. So as you can see, I just hopped in. I just wanted to see. It looked like all the rejections, man. That looked like a bottom me. Like, it's price action, you know. Yeah, I see that. Like I said, the two mountains would have made me think, okay, well, it obviously could make higher highs, but it also don't seem like it can make higher lows. Kind of want to put. I feel like I could put the price down here or down here, and we could still bust through. Like, so. But I don't want to risk that much, you know. I'm cool with risking $35. I don't know if I'm cool with risking everything I made, and if I lose $90, you see where that put me? That put me back, and I am not ready to be back. You know, like if I lose 4,800, it's cool. But y'all can see, somebody in the comments, man, give me a little tip about risk management. Like, y'all see my numbers, y'all see what they doing and how they going crazy. They up and down, they all over the place. So yeah, like I said, I'm in learning phase. So somebody take what I'm doing and don't do everything. Like, y'all see, I just took that buy because it was sitting on a 50, and then what? It rejected. It now is disrespecting the shit out of the 200. My bad, not the 50, the 200. I'm not stressed. I know I'm rubbing my face. It just feel good to rub sometimes. We good though. I'm not tripping. I'm not stressed out. I just like to see what happened, man. So hey, I'm not just gonna trade because it's sitting on the 50 no more. So boom, touch my stop loss. That's cool. GG to the markets. You know what I mean? I'm not. The market ain't against me. Nothing crazy like that. If it revert. All right, so it's not gonna reverse. That's the strongest selling pressure I ever seen. It's gonna definitely hit my stop loss. But that's cool. I kind of want to. I'm gonna say I kind of want to close the trade. So we had 4,800. So we lost again right there on the trade, and now we are down $95. The worst part is that I'm losing, and I want to motivate people to make it, and so that sucks. You know, I wish I could have seen what I was supposed to see to get into this trade and do it correctly. Like, some people, I guess they would have seen some type of liquid in this area, maybe, and it. Oh, well, maybe not. Maybe the black one, because that's where the fair value gap is. And shit, that fair value gap is basically touching. When a fair value gap is basically touching, I heard that's a good move. And as you can see, it did the damn thing. So that might be the counter move I just traded against. 5 minutes, y'all, is quick, and you can make it in that second, and you can lose it. But I just was looking at the market too fast. I be trying to go with the market sentiment, but like I said, that was sitting on the thing. So yeah, I just didn't look at that close enough. But like I said, y'all seeing me make these mistakes, so As you can see, there was a mistake yesterday that I made that I didn't make today. So I feel good about that. I honestly feel like I can take one more trade and alleviate all of this. I really do. And oh yeah, I would probably have to risk it all. But at the end of the day, like I said, I'm learning. But I do know that the habits that I create here are habits that could last. So I know I want to do this right. And I'm trying to find, thought I saw some liquid fair value gaps down there. That is a tiny ass gap. It's a tiny ass gap right there. But it's gone now. They done filled it up. So we are on a downtrend. It never bounced back up to that zone. That's the trade I just took. Yeah. JPY. Sometimes JPY work out, but sometimes it don't. Did I trade this? Let's go to history. No, I didn't trade USD JPY. But it did. It blammed through the zone, and then it looked like it's started going in my favor, and then it looked like it wanted to sell again. So I don't know what's going on exactly with USD JPY. It looked like it's just in the middle again. That was my zone. That zone ain't hold. It wasn't obviously the first zone. The real zone looked like it could be here. There, and it doesn't look like it's a reversal zone. It doesn't look like there's no liquid. Okay, I see a tiny little gap here, which means the candle right here could be something. But I don't trust it. It just don't. That's an ugly setup. Look at that. That is horribly ugly. And okay, and it's still selling. Yep, still selling. It's the trade I took. See, and that's why I ain't want to move my stop loss. This is why you don't move your stop loss, because you'll be chasing it and you just be going down. That's one thing my boy Doyle said. Do not move the stop loss. Okay, so there wasn't no candles hit, and it still decided to sell. But I can see that. See how that's a clear line? Like, that's a clear floor, that's a clear ceiling, and it bounced and it did its thing. This is a clear floor. That's not. Even if we say, oh yeah, rejected off of that whole floor. If that was the box, I don't like what I see. Yeah, it's hard. It's not easy at all. It's not easy at all. I'm by myself. I ain't in no groups. I don't, ain't nobody Discord. I'm just being me, man. So let's see here. I need to wake up, analyze the markets a little bit better before I hop in trades. I think I've been woke since 8 o'clock, and I've already lost $90. So I really do just want to know what to do right. It seemed like if I was trading indices, it might be a little easier, but I don't know. I can't say that. I want my strategy to work on all the timelines. So y'all just saw me lose. I might come with another setup later, but for now, that's it. I'm gonna post this loss, and if I win, y'all will hear about it tomorrow. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for everything. Thanks for watching. Consider liking and subscribing, man. I do plan on being profitable. I would never give up. I'm going to be either doing this till I get it, or I'm going to be doing this till I die. This is my first year of consistency, even though I'm not profitable. And before, I just was in and out, in and out, in and out. And now, it just seems realistic and it seems sustainable. And I'm trying to treat it like a career, and I'm trying to take it seriously. And I am treating it like a career, and I am taking it seriously. I just need to learn a few more tactics that could make this perfect. Like, and what I mean is, like, just basically risk management. It sucks because I really want to get my account to 5,000. And then I want to get it to 5,000, and I know what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to slowly grow it to 5,000, but I have the capital to do this right. Even if it's demo capital. So just don't try to expose me, man. I'm gonna keep telling y'all in all my accounts that this is a demo account. Do not sit here looking for something that it ain't. This is a quick fair value gap right there. Boop boop. Hey, I don't. If this candle breaking the zone, I kind of needed to close where it's at, but I'm not tripping. It's not created yet. This could buy all the way up to that zone, or it could sell down to that zone. Either thing that happened, just gotta be careful. So yeah, that's a clear floor though. If we come back to this zone, I would think we're gonna be in a buy. The liquid fair value gap is touching basically the zone, so that looks like a perfect entry. That looks like a high quality setup. Hopefully it come down there, So all right, y'all. I'm gonna get out this video. If this trade happens, y'all will hear about it. If not, I'm at $4,807. I will see y'all next time. It's my dog barking. That's my cue. Thanks again. Whew. Tired early in the morning. Peace out. Time to go find other ways to make money.